Hi. You might like Glocks, but you might also have thought the 10mm was a little too powerful to enjoy. Well, this is a Glock 20, 10mm, the most powerful Glock that Glock makes, and it's really not all that bad. It's fun to shoot. I thought I'd demonstrate a couple of shots here, see if I can hit anything with it. Nice. Does all right. Let me go on out to 80 yards. Show you the long range capability. Sweet. Nice gun. Doesn't kick that much. I could shoot it another couple hundred times. Wouldn't hurt a bit. Sweet.